Dear students, welcome to Study and Learn Academy. Today we will start a new chapter, study of the first element, hydrogen, class 9th ICSE board chemistry. Hydrogen is the simplest element. It is the first element in the periodic table and it is placed in group 1 of the periodic table. Some previous attempts have been made to classify hydrogen as group 1 alkali metals or as group 7 halogen, but neither were satisfactory. Hydrogen is the lightest element and the most abundant element in the universe. Its atoms consist of just a proton and an orbiting electron. Without hydrogen, we would not be here. All organic compounds making up living things contain hydrogen and also a constituent of water, necessary for all known life. Hydrogen is therefore arguably the most important element for life. Similarities with alkali metals. Hydrogen can be grouped with group 1 elements due to similarity with alkalis. Property hydrogen alkali metals like sodium electronic configuration 1, valence electron 1, valency 1, electropositive forms H plus, forms Na plus, reducing nature CuO plus H2 gives Cu plus H2O. CuO plus sodium gives Cu plus Na2O. Burning 2H2O2 gives H2O plus O2 gives twice H2O2. Na plus O2 gives Na2O2. Action of burns explosively with pop sound. Sodium undergoes spontaneous combustion in air. With non-metals HCl, H2S, H2O, NaCl, Na2S, Na2O. Preparation of hydrogen by reaction of metals with bases. Oxides of zinc, lead, aluminium can react with both acids and hot concentrated alkalis to form hydrogen and a soluble salt. They are called amphoteric oxide. Zinc plus twice NaOH gives Na2ZnO2 plus H2. So Na2ZnO2 is sodium zincate. Zinc plus twice KOH gives K2ZnO2 plus H2. That is K2ZnO2 is potassium zincate. Lead plus NaOH gives PbO2 plus H2. That is sodium plumbate. Then you can see twice aluminium plus 6 NaOH gives twice Na3AlO3, that is sodium aluminate plus hydrogen gas. Twice Al plus twice KOH plus twice H2O gives twice KaLO2, that is potassium meta-aluminate plus hydrogen gas. Preparation of hydrogen by action of metals with water and acids. Metal reaction with water, reaction with acids, sodium and potassium react violently with cold water. Highly exothermic reaction. Released hydrogen immediately catches fire. K plus H2O gives twice KOH, potassium hydroxide plus hydrogen plus heat. Sodium plus H2O gives sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen plus heat. React extremely violently with rapid effervescence and splashing. Twice Na plus twice HCl gives twice NaCl plus H2. Calcium element reaction with water. Heat evolved not enough for H to catch fire. Calcium plus H twice H2O gives calcium hydroxide plus S2. Calcium starts floating as bubbles of H2 sticks to metal surface, reacts readily to form chloride salts. Preparation of hydrogen reaction of the metals with water and acids. Calcium plus twice HCl give calcium chloride plus H2 gas. Magnesium reacts with hot water, starts floating due to H2 bubbles sticking to it. Magnesium plus twice H2O gives magnesium hydroxide plus hydrogen. React readily to form salt and hydrogen. Magnesium plus HCl give magnesium chloride plus H2. Aluminium, zinc, iron react with steam to form oxide and hydrogen. Twice Al plus 3H2O gives Al2O3 plus 3H2. Zinc plus H2O gives ZNO plus H2. Thrice Fe plus 4H2O gives Fe3O4 plus 4H2. Aluminium plus HCl gives aluminum chloride plus hydrogen gas. Zinc plus HCl gives zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas. And Fe plus twice HCl give FeCl2 plus H2. Impurities and their removal. Hydrocarbons are the major source for the production of hydrogen gas by, for instance, reforming of fossil fuel, natural gas or biomass. However, the hydrogen produced by this process is not pure, but a mixture of gases known as reformate. Hydrogen, nitrogen, water, carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide are the typical gases in the mixture. Other impurities includes sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, hydrogen oxide, that is H2O, not H2S, phosphine PH3, arsine ASH3. Following methods can be used to remove impurity from hydrogen: partial condensation, absorption separation, adsorption separation, pressure swing adsorption, metal hydrides, etc. Now the precautions to be taken during preparation of hydrogen. Hydrogen is inflammable and may be explode if brought near a flame. Apparatus must be airtight. No burning flame near apparatus. Allow all air to escape before collecting hydrogen gas. End of this funnel must always be under acid level to prevent an escape of gas via the funnel. Zinc is important in hydrogen preparation because sodium and potassium react very violently and may cause accidents. Calcium and magnesium may cause explosive reactions. Hydrogen can be produced by heating iron with acid, but impurities like hydrogen sulfide and sulfur dioxide are formed. Lead form an insoluble coating of lead sulfate / lead chloride with sulfuric / hydrochloric acid. Copper, gold and silver are below hydrogen in reactivity series and cannot displace hydrogen from mineral acids. Manufacture of hydrogen by Bosch process. In this process, water gas is mixed with twice its volume of steam and passed over heated catalyst Fe2O3 in the presence of a promoter Cr2O3 at 773 Kelvin. When CO2 and H2 are obtained, CO2 is removed by dissolving it in water under pressure 20 to 25 atmosphere and H2 is collected. Any CO present in removed by reacting with ammoniacal cuprous chloride. So the reaction is CuCl plus CO plus twice H2O gives CuCl dot CO dot twice H2O. Manufacture of hydrogen from water, and that process is called electrolysis. Commercially, hydrogen is obtained by the electrolysis of acidulated water. A small amount of sulfuric acid H2SO4 is added to water because pure water being a poor conductor of electricity, and adding a less volatile acid makes it a conductor. Electric current passes through this acidulated water and the water dissociates into H plus and OH minus ion. H plus being positive moves towards the cathode, negatively charged. A reaction at cathode, H plus plus 1 electron, and that is converted into H atom. And two H atoms react to each other and form H2 molecule. So hydrogen is liberated at the cathode. OH being negative moves towards anode, positively charged. Reactions at anode. OH minus gives 1 electron and convert into OH neutral. And two OH react to each other and they gives H2O plus oxygen. And two oxygen react to each other atom gives oxygen molecule. So oxygen is liberated at the anode. Physical properties of hydrogen. At room temperature, hydrogen is a gas. It is a colorless and odorless gas. It is soluble in water. Its vapor density is 1. It is highly inflammable and burns with blue flame forming water. Liquefaction temperature of hydrogen is minus 252 degrees centigrade. Chemical properties of hydrogen. Hydrogen is neutral in nature. Hydrogen gas is highly combustible, but it does not support combustion. The molecular weight is 2.01594 gram, and the relative density compared to air is 0.0695. Hydrogen reacts with metals, non-metals, metal oxides and organic compounds under suitable conditions. Oxidation of hydrogen removes its electron and yields the H plus ion. Hydrogen gas can also explode in a mixture of chlorine from 5 to 95%. These mixtures can explode in response to a spark, heat and even light. Pure hydrogen oxygen flames emit ultraviolet light and are invisible to the naked eye. Reactions of hydrogen with metals. Hydrogen gas at high temperatures reacts with highly electropositive metals such as potassium, sodium and calcium. It combines with water to form their respective hydrides. So these are the reactions. Twice K plus H2 at high temperature gives twice K plus H minus. Twice Na plus H2 gives twice Na plus H minus. Ca plus H2 gives Ca plus H2 minus. These hydrides react with water to give hydrogen. Calcium hydride plus twice H2O gives calcium hydroxide plus hydrogen. Reaction of hydrogen with non-metals. Hydrogen readily combines with fluorine and chlorine, less readily with bromine, iodine, sulfur, phosphorus, nitrogen and carbon. H2 plus F2 gives twice HF. Hydrogen burns in chlorine gas and the mixture of hydrogen and chlorine explode violently when kindled or exposed to the sunlight. H2 plus Cl2 gives twice HCl. Hydrogen combines with nitrogen on a sparking or in the presence of catalyst, forming ammonia. N2 plus 3H2 gives twice NH3. Now the uses of hydrogen. Hydrogen in the form of an oxyacetylene flame used for welding and cutting of metals. Used in the production of fuel gases. Hydrogen can be used as a fuel for motor vehicles. It is used to convert vegetable oil into vanaspati ghee, popularly known as dalda. It is also used to produce fuel oil and gasoline and ammonia. It is used in meteorological balloons to study weather conditions. It is used as a rocket fuel and as a fuel in the fuel cell. Oxidation reduction. The terms oxidation and reduction can be defined in terms of the adding or removing oxygen to a compound. While this is the most robust definition, as discussed below, it is the easiest to remember. Oxidation and reduction with respect to oxygen transfer. Oxygen is the gain of oxidation. Reduction is the loss of oxygen. Fe2O3 plus 3CO gives twice Fe plus 3CO2. Oxidation is the loss of hydrogen. Reduction is the gain of hydrogen. So you can see below reactions. Ethyl alcohol CH3CH2O convert into acetaldehyde. So that is oxidation by loss of hydrogen. Acetaldehyde convert into ethyl alcohol. So that is reduction by gain of hydrogen. This is all about this today's lecture. Thank you very much. Goodbye.